This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. AD. Lorenzo, if I pronounced that right. If not, please correct me. So let's see what the markets have done overnight. They died, and but now they're trying to come back. Excuse me. So it looks like ES the high, 52.47, the low, 52.14. 33 points in range. NQ the high, 507, the low, 360. I can do that math. That's 147 points in range. Copper's been coming up, about 180 ticks. Gold blowing through its all-time highs, all the way into the 24s. It's like about 24 points in range. Ultra bond kind of stagnant, about a point in range. Crude oil rising up, just made a new high of the day. Looks like about 80 some ticks in range. Natural gas coming down. Bitcoin hanging above 70,000. So that's where we sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. We'll get ready to rock and rumble. Okay, so I had some technical difficulties this morning. For some reason, my stream did not want to start. So I'm running a little bit behind, so give me a minute or two as I get a couple other things set up. Okay, oops, just got logged out. Let's log back in, shall we? Listen away for a minute. There we go. Rise up here. We're at 422. You can see from yesterday, I mean, we had an amazing rise up in the afternoon. It started in the morning and then kept going. ES got about 2/3 of its CPI candle back, but NQ got it all back. Now it's giving back some back again. And the Dow really hasn't recovered. Pushing up here. It's been a interesting week. You know, I've realized that over In the last 5 days, not including today, but from last Friday through yesterday, we had all 4 major events. Now, it was the FOMC meeting minutes versus the regular FOMC, which is the bigger event. But we had non-farm payrolls, CPI, PPI, and an FOMC event, all within 5 days. That's pretty amazing.
Order filled. Order filled.
Everybody still sleeping? How y'all doing? Pushing down. News today. What news do we have today? Had banks releasing earnings earlier, a couple hours earlier. 8:30 Eastern, U.S. import and export prices. 9 o'clock Eastern, we have a Fed speaker, and 10 o'clock Eastern, University of Michigan sentiment preliminary. A bit of a push down here. Nice little grind. Oh, I missed this purple candle here, which was a mistake. We got our 5 or more. will get the next one. Almost always miss any signals in the first 10 minutes of the stream, just how it is. As I get set up, get undiscombobulated. So it'll rise there, pop back up. So we shouldn't see the fireworks that we saw the last couple days, but sometimes the market can surprise us. Waiting for our next opportunity. Gold's coming down some after hitting highs it's never seen before. Crude's pushing up. Hanging here right above 18,400 at 18,408. We're gonna get back down to 400. Oh, guess not. Look at that burst up. Nice little move up. Where is everybody? Wake up, jump to your trading software. Right back down. And touched 400 exactly and bounced. Oh, you hear music. Crap. I left the desktop audio from yesterday. There we go. Thank you for pointing that out, G-Man. Back up to 409. 409. Yep. Came down, down, down. Now back up, up, up. Little burst there, it hit that EMA, which I should have taken into account for before entering this trade, but hey. Coming back down. Stopped out. And coming back up. Okay, choppy here. 10-point range. Trying to push up a little bit here, back up to 410. Grinding back down toward 400. Again, pushing down a little bit, but got news in less than 10. There's a break. No, I'm wrong. Got ahead of myself. I thought it broke 400, but it did not. Now it broke 400. There we go. Driving down to 390. Trying to bounce on there. Gold's bouncing up. Oil's still heading up. Quiet day so far. Maybe everyone, that's right. Yeah. Well, remember Ace said he's not going to be here today. He's having a going away for a 3-day weekend. Hey, Cossack, how's it going? Back down to 390 on NQ there. Chop, chop, chop. 5 minutes till news. Slightly under 400 here as we head toward news. Crude still. The crude just running. Gold trying to get back up to its high. Ooh. Little verse there. And now it's struggling to get back above 400. How'd you finish up yesterday, Cossack? Good. News coming up here shortly. Excellent job, Cossack. Excellent. What's the funded account in Topstep's called? Express funded something. Express funded account, I guess. There was our news. Dropped down low, but not that big. Dropped 98 to 96 points. And continuing to drop, but ooh, whoosh. What a whoosh. Small whoosh. Down to 88. And the bounce. More bounce to the ounce. And back down. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. And down it goes. Down goes NQ. Long here. See if we can get a nice break up. If not, wow. Nope, back down. Back up. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Okay, a little boost. There we go. There we go. 5 point sit. There's a winner. Back up to 395. It touched 399. Thank you everyone for joining me on this Friday morning. If you're enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you gore that like button. Let YouTube know you're enjoying the stream. Between the bid and the ask, seeing about a 3 to 4 tick spread right now on NQ. Hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? One to two. But in the evening time, you can see as much as 6 at times. which makes market orders a little bit more dicey. Ticks, Dreamman. Checks back down. Whoosh. It's a little bit choppy, a little bit spicy this morning. Continues down. Wow. So quick burst down there. Oh, don't you just love that, Cossack? How do you like MotoWave? Good. Continuing to push down. And I should have taken these purple candles. I'm not sure why I fight myself with taking candles and trend. I gotta go. Stopped out. dead drop here now, down to 355. What's our low of the day? ES low day 14.5. It just touched 15. NQ low of day actually just made a new low of day. Back down. Wow. Whoosh. 341 is the new low. No, now 340. About 45 minutes to the bell, a little more. Market just falling. 325. Still falling. 325 new low. Down over 75 points. We were just a few minutes ago talking about being around 400. Those news numbers that bad? I didn't look at the news numbers. Or was it just looking for a reason to dump? We're long here. 33.75. Don't like that doji. Come on. There we go. On up. Struggling right around my entry point. Come on. It looks like it's going to drop. Still fighting. Still fighting the good fight. See, the bands are closing. Every time it pops a little bit, just gets beaten right back down. It just poked its head up. Hmm. Wow. Our bands are only 4 points apart on the 15-second chart. Wait, on the 30-second chart, they're still 50 points apart? Wow. Hey, John, how you doing? Awesome. And down we come. Dang it. Come on, bounce for me there. Bounce for me, baby. He might be listening to me. Yeah, it might not be. Keeps trying to give me hope. There we go. That's good hope. Right back down. Push up, push up. Dang it. Wow, really? Guess it was told me it gave me your gave you an opportunity to get out. You didn't take it. Oh, burst back up. We're about 5 minutes till the top of the hour. Gold's trying to push back up toward its all-time high. Crude's still grinding up. We're still hanging in this trade. Looks like it wants to come back down now. Yeah. Now it's going to stop me out. So there's no reason for me to take a full stop here. I stayed in way too long, and that was just ridiculousness on my part. I saw it wanting to come down, and I just stayed in. I mean, I should have got out. It gave me opportunities to get out a couple of times. I got to get better at just getting out. It was ridiculousness. The fact that I took a full 10-point stop there. Piss poor trading on my part, which shouldn't shock anyone. Pushing down. I was long. I got in long about when you said long 08, a little bit, a couple candles after. Ended up being in that stupid trade for 12 minutes. Yeah, but I should have read the fact that, it was coming back down. It gave me signals that it was coming down. There's the top of the hour, and I should have just got out. It gave me an opportunity to get out, break even, or even with a small profit a couple of times. Yeah, but you got out with 3 ticks. Cossack, I took 40 ticks of a loss. Crude pulling back a bit as its market opens. Look at this fall, breaks 300. So last hour ended up being down 94 points on NQ and down 26 points on ES. Missed my blue candle there on the 15. Could have got 5. 304 is where the 20 EMA is sitting. Looks like it wants to pop back up. Back up to 299. There's 300 again. Well, thank everyone for joining me today. Now we've gotten some numbers up, 25. Remember to gore that like button if you're enjoying the stream. So we got down to 285. We've popped back up to 303. April showers bring great sales for futures prop traders. First up, Apex, 80% off and no minimum trading days. Buy today, pass today, be trading funded tomorrow. Topstep, one step, one rule pricing, $49 for 50K. Easiest eval in the industry. Bulenox, two great sales, 90% off intraday accounts, first month only, or 83% off intraday accounts. That's recurring for a lifetime until you pass or cancel. And Earn to Trade, 50% off their new 10-day challenges, all subscriptions including the TCP 50. Great deals. All links and codes for these sales are in the video description below. Hanging here right below 18.3. Going long off that blue candle in the 30. There you go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now we're getting move up. Move up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope. Can't get through that EMA. Come on. Push through that EMA. Ah. Back to my entry. Trying to break the EMA. Can it? Can it? No. Oh, yes. Maybe. No. Really? Come on. So nothing's going to work today. Come on back up. There we go. It's like you didn't learn your lesson last time, did you? I'm giving you the opportunity to get out with a no loss, and you're not taking it. It's because you keep enticing me by showing me you want to come up. Yep, now it's going to come down and stop me out. Maybe. Trying to bounce off that band. There we go. Come on, bounce back up for me. There we go. Corey, I told you today it's going to rattle off 100 wins for you. There's my stop. Carnivore, John. I'm telling you, carnivore. This trading day is absolutely sucking for me. Crude oil continues to grind up above 87 now. Hey, Rod, sorry to hear that, man. Not at all, John. Not at all. And there it goes. So if I hadn't moved my stop, I would have hit my profit. Well, I mean, I take a break here and there from it, Rod, which seems to help because, when I take a break from it, like after a week of taking a break from it, I feel absolutely horrible. And then I remind myself why I'm on it. Well, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Just, the last time I took the full stop, didn't want to take the full stop this time. And if I had just kept the stop where it was, it would have worked. Whatever. Hello, RJ. How are you today? 15 minutes till the bell. Back above 300, up to 309. So, on that last trade, I can see I got in at 301, stopped out at 298, and now, got up to 313. So I would have got my 10 points, the original 10 points I was looking for. And if I kept my stop at the original spot, I never would have got stopped out. Meanwhile, look at what crude's doing. It's pulled back now, got all the way up to 87.34. Gold tried to get back up to its highs, didn't quite get there. Dips and back up. Nice, Cossack. Good job. Been an ugly, choppy morning after the drop. I shouldn't say that. The drop was not choppy. It's been ugly the last 10 minutes or so, 20 minutes. The fact that I did not catch that drop at all is a big failure on my part. Well, there's a drop too. Back under 300. Another drop. Now it's 6 minutes till the bell. How's everyone else doing? Another bounce back up. We're just going to wait until after the bell at this point. Yeah, oil is up. Remember, guys, Ace won't be here today. He's on a 3-day weekend. Good question. Oh, look at that. Back down. We're down to 274. Oh, less than 2 minutes to go. Bounces back up. $30. Comes back up toward 300 as we head toward the bell. EQ pulls back and back up. All right, 341, says RJ. Right now, can't decide which way he wants to go. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Keeps poking up and down, up and down, up and down. There's a big move down. And popping back up. Big pop, back above 300. It's 310. 17 points on that 30-second candle. G-Man exploded. Reminder that you should never say boom if you're trading natural gas. There we go. There's 323. So remember RJ said 341. Gotta know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. Long off that, well, it's a blue candle in the 15 seconds, so you don't see it. But it's coming down on me though. Yeah. Oh, stopping it. That didn't work. Yeah, nothing working today, so we won't continue to try. It was an idiotic trade for me to get in that late. I've been making idiotic trades today. Back down to 305. Congrats, Burl. Nice job. Choppy, a bit over the last minute. I forget I'm looking at a 15-second chart, so sometimes choppy isn't really choppy. Hanging at 307. Seems like it's trying to drop. Drop it down though. Oh, another bounce. Yes, Burrow. Look at the 15 and the 30. Short. There we go. Short, short, short. We wear short shorts. Bounce. Don't bounce. Are you kidding me? Out. Choppy. Look at oil continuing to head up. Gold's choppy. Oh, yeah. Whoosh down on BTC down to 69.8. Gold about to touch its all-time high again. Bounce again after it got down to how big bounce? It got down to 295, bounced all the way back up to 307. No, can't trade anything on weekends for futures. Good reminder, John. I forgot about that. We have University of Michigan sentiment preliminary coming up at the top of the hour. So am I. I'm long. Just won't go. Got back up to 320. There we go. Finally, something goes my way. There we go. 10 points. Thought maybe I was just cursed today. The 329. Now I know RJ's going to try and hold the 341. But I just needed a 10-point win. That entry was off the 15-second chart. I'm still showing the 30-second on the main screen. Rip it good. Pulls back there, got up to 332. Sid, good to see you. I was praising you yesterday, I think it was, Sid. It was either yesterday or the day before about your call on gold back down when it was at like 1900. You said it was going to go up majorly. And here we are now at all-time highs above 24. When you said 3,000, Sid, I thought you might be a little crazy. And now that it's like at 24, I'm thinking maybe you're not so crazy after all. How's the farm going, Sid? Yeah, 333 is our high of this move. What's our high of the overnight? I forget. Oh yeah, high of the overnight's way up there. 507. Nowhere close. We're still underneath the Bollinger Bands on the 1 hour chart. Yes, I think we all miss Sid's presence. Nice, RJ. Those of you who like to follow along with Sid Chase's family farm, here's the Facebook profile for it. You can follow Sid's farm and what he's doing there. Quick whip back down to 311. You see there on the 30-second chart, there was a purple candle I could have grabbed. I didn't. Here comes again, RJ. Beautiful bounce. 31, the high of the bounce so far. Struggling there. Unable to get back up there. Is it putting in a slightly lower high? It's going to try again. Remember, we have news coming up in a little over 8 minutes. There's 332, 333. Easy for me to say. Again, rejects off 333. It's where we saw the rejection before. Hey, man, how you doing? The gang's all here today. Sid? Well, no, Ace isn't here. I don't know. He just decided, he just left. I saw the notification. Not sure why he left the Discord. He didn't say anything. Trying again here. There's 331 again. Yeah. I figured that was, RJ. I just can't believe that Ace would rather spend a weekend with his wife than spending time with us here. He's probably listening. Hello. Okay, so if I pronounce your name wrong, please correct me. Balak Gamers? Did I get it right? Welcome to the stream. Still hanging at this 33, 34 area. Can it bust through? Ooh. All of a sudden my ears started ringing. Who's talking about me? What is the cheapest challenge? Cheapest right now would be Bulenox. The 25K would be like $15. The 50K is like $18. Intraday. That's with code MOT90. Rejects down, back down to 330. News in 5 minutes. Yes. Something like that amount, yes. 50K on the Bulenox is 148 for the setup fee. If you want to go overall cheapest right now, MyFundedFutures is $50 for their starter account, and then it's a $50 setup fee, so that's a total of $100. And Blusky is $99 with no setup fee. And we're short. Yeah, it's popping back up though on that short. By the way, it was a bad short there. I don't like things that go from EMA to banned, but we're managing it. Let's see if it comes down. I like this purple candle. There we go. Minute 21:25. There we go. He just hit a EMA. Can I get through? Nope, bounced. Ouch. I mean, you're not going to get anything cheaper than $100, unfortunately. Out. Took the loss. Yeah, the TCP. I forget the TCP 25 exists. That's a good option. It's still going to be. I don't know. Yeah, what he just said. $75, and they don't charge the funded setup fee unless you take profit. Well, actually, I'm not sure. Hold on a minute though. Give me a second though. Now, unfortunately, Earn to Trade doesn't allow Pakistan. That's the other problem we're gonna have is not many firms even allow Pakistan. So that's gonna be an issue. I'm not even sure. Like Bulenox is one of the few that allow Pakistan take profit trader, But take profit trader is going to be 85 bucks plus 130. So I don't have a good option for you, unfortunately. Oh, whoa, there's the news. Wowzers. Down 24 points. Yeah, I figured that you and I were talking yesterday. I figured that's who you were. I just, $100 is probably the cheapest you're gonna do, and I know that really sucks. Dropped back down to 302. Did hit 343. So RJ, good call. Bounces right back up. I wish I had a better answer for you. Block. Yeah, it's really. I mean, it's tough for everybody, but it's a lot tougher for someone in your situation. Have you been practicing trading in a simulator or anything, Block? So that when you do get a chance to take a challenge, you're ready for it. Back down below 300 here. Eh, Cossack, I wouldn't. Fraud's a strong word. There's things about ICT that people learn from and like and can execute. I've seen it. We have some ICT people here in the community that really believe in what he teaches. As long as you're not paying for the course. I don't know if he charges at what he charges for his courses, but you can find for the so-called ICT concepts free other places. Right. But the thing is, though, that's what most people trade. That's what most people teach. It's just some people, while he should not be, acting like it's something he developed, if someone can teach something in a different way that makes people understand it, that actually works, that's a good thing. So I'm not going to bag on ICT. I don't, like I said, I don't know what he charges for his courses. That obviously I don't think anyone should ever pay for a course, but the concepts can work. I'm late. How late am I? There we go. Obviously, the thing I don't like about ICT, it does have a cult-like atmosphere to it. Oh yeah. Hits the EMA again. I really should start putting profit targets on those EMAs. Touches it again. He's also admitted to having mental health issues. So, there is that. Some of that delusional type stuff comes from that. Just can't break through this area again. And right back down. I should have taken 5 points, I guess. I hadn't heard that. We just got stopped out. Ah. So I've given back just about everything I made yesterday. We're down 900 bucks. Look at the fall down to 280. That thing's gonna watch that thing pass your challenge today, John. Still falling. Bounces. I believe I was actually a long, and so I didn't do well at all. Yep. Nothing going right for the Ox today. Pushes down. Whoosh back down. Got down to 266 over here. Just hit 270 there. Now let's see if it wants to bounce. I'll try one more long. Struggling at that EMA again. See you next week, John. Trying to push up. There we go. Target hit. You know, I did wonderful yesterday, and today I just has not been my day. Ooh, I got lucky that one. Look at that flush down. Bounces. Got down to 258. Now bounced right back up to 277. Long. Can it get back up to 290? Guess not. Let's try to climb back up that purple. There we go. Getting blue on the 30. Second. Minute 284. There we go. Boom. Boom. There's 10 other 10 points. Now we're starting to cook. Hey, Shad, how you doing? Absolutely, Sid. You're hereby deemed that you must attend every stream from now on. I'm actually going to blame Ace for my bad luck today since he's not here. I'm doing pretty good, Shad. Thank you. Back up to 307. That quick. So we dipped to 258. Now we've got back up to 307. So almost 50 points in a matter of 3 minutes. Ace is probably listening in the car grumbling like, why the heck did he keep talking about me? Hanging right on 300. Gold. Wow, look at gold. Wow. Gold just blowing up, which is hard to do because it's not really flammable. Crude also blowing up. Now that is flammable. Ultraviolet blowing up. That's not really a thing. I hear the train a coming. No Crypticon today. No JC today, but JC often has his grandkids on Friday, so that's probably what he's doing. Still pushing up. 308 is where it's kind of hit its head on it a few times at 308. April showers bring great sales for futures prop traders. First up, Apex, 80% off and no minimum trading days. Buy today, pass today, be trading funded tomorrow. Topstep, one step, one rule pricing, $49 for 50K. Easiest eval in the industry. Bulenox, two great sales, 90% off intraday accounts, first month only, or 83% off intraday accounts. That's recurring for a lifetime until you pass or cancel. And Earn to Trade, 50% off their new 10-day challenges. All subscriptions, including the TCP 50. Great deals. All links and codes for these sales are in the video description below. So hit 309. 309. 309. I know it's 409, but anyway. Pushes back down by 10, 15. Thank you, Rashad. I'm hoping to start getting more other videos up. I want to do a review of each of the prop firms, But I haven't settled on a format or a template for it. I keep struggling with that. Continuing to drop here. So it's one of my goals for the weekend is to finally come up with a finalized plan to get reviews done. Nice bounce. Now, relatively nice. Hanging at 284. Now, you're seeing a screen. You guys see a screen with like several charts, 8 charts, I think, 7, something like that. I'm actually looking at just 2 charts most of the time. My AQ on both the 15 and 30-second. And I'm supposed to be taking the trades off, in trend trades off of either one, and I just missed it on both the 15 and the 30. For some reason, I am just getting I get this mind block with taking in trend trades, but you can see the 2 purple candles recently in the last 4 minutes that both would have worked for, a 10-point drop. And I just get this mind block, and I don't know why. My mind keeps wanting to do reversals. The reversals are 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 less likely to work than the in trend trades. I did complete a complete charting from yesterday's thing, and it's an amazing strategy if I actually utilize it, but I'm not utilizing it, so I'm frustrated with myself for not utilizing it. Now you do see another purple there, kind of flirting there. That's getting, and that's just turned back green anyway. But that was getting a little overextended toward the bottom. But any of this, the one that occurred up here, 1027, and then even in 1025.30, both of those would have been perfect. Perfect. I say perfect. This one right here, you can see boom, right there, boom. 10, easy, 15, even. And then, this one too, boom. That's just it. I did backtest. I mean, look, and here, let me show you what I did. Kind of pausing right now anyway. So let's go to scene. So this is my 15 and 30. This is what I'm actually looking at most of the time. So if we turn back time on this 15-second chart, and it takes a long time to turn back time on a 15-second chart. Turn back time. So this is yesterday. No, still not there. Am I? Oh, wait. Yeah. No. What's with everybody calling me Mr. Ox now? Anyway, still going backwards. Still going backwards. Wow. So you can see here now. There we go. You are sharing. I love that, RJ. That's excellent. So, I charted out and I accidentally moved one. Everything that fit my criteria. You can see all the little blocks. You can see win. These would have been 20-point wins right here. Win. Win. See, this blue candle was too high up, so I would not have taken that, or I shouldn't take it. Doesn't mean that in actual live trading I wouldn't actually take it, but win. There's just so many opportunities, and you can see here that with the trend, when that's being above the 20, etc., above the signal line on the RSI, you can see all these blue candles, win. And then when it gets back below the 20, the purple candle, chop. The chop, there was like one opportunity in there. That was right before the bell. Even after the bell, this purple candle work, this one would have been too extended. Back up, back down, up, down, left, right. You can see just how many opportunities there are and how many, here, this move down, purple candle there, purple candle there. Both of those trades could have been at least 15 points. So, and I did this for the entire day. And on a 15-second chart, there's like 180 opportunities in an 8-hour day. See here, blue candle, both would have worked. I just don't know why I don't execute it. I mean, when you're using a 15-second chart, sometimes you're just going to miss a trade. It happens too fast, but. Oh, and as I was doing that, I missed a nice purple candle. Yeah, we've gotten down to 58, or this area here, a couple of times now. It just frustrates me because I do backtest. I backtest just about every day, or if not, I do it. I catch up on the weekends. Most weekends, I spend about at least 10 hours, if not 20 hours, on the chart. And it just frustrates me that I just don't execute it. but it's not all the time. I mean, I miss. I shouldn't say not all. I mean, I even yesterday. Yesterday it was a great day, but I mean, even that I don't. One of the reasons I like the lower time frames, besides the fact that it works, is the fact that when I was trying to do a 5 minute, uh, using the 5 minute chart, if I missed a trade, I might not only get another one or two opportunities throughout the whole day. So I would chase, or I would get frustrated. At least when I miss a trade here, I know there's gonna be another one. There's average of 20 entries an hour. So, and by the way, look at this. As I talk, there was three purple candles on the 15-second chart, and I didn't grab either of them or any of them. But I can miss trades, and then just I know there's gonna be another one. There's no reason for me to chase them. But now I actually have a bot. Yeah. Yes. Uh. Bulenox. Yeah, it's my setup. I mean, the only way I can reduce position size though is to go down to one. Go down to the micros. Cossack. I'm already using only one mini. Now I do have a bot for Ninja Trader that would take these candles, at least the ones that are in the direction of the trend underneath or over top of the 20 EMA. On the bot, or what do you mean, Cossack? I don't know because I've never actually ran stats on the 15-second. The problem is the only thing I have that works on Ninja Trader right now is Apex, and I can't actually use the bot on Apex. Well, I mean I could use it to enter, but I would need to be managing the trade. The problem with the bot is it doesn't know when to stop. So like, let me let me find an example. Let me blow up the chart. Uh, like it doesn't know when to stop. It would take all blue candles above the 20. So like this one right here, that's an obvious not to take. It would take. So that's the problem with the bot. Just like this one right here would be, I would never take that blue candle breaking the bands. I would never take this one because you can see it's started trying to reverse, but the bot would. At least how it's programmed now. I use that ultimate RSI you see toward the bottom of my charts as a filter, where usually I'm looking for the blue candles that are above that, but not above a certain level, and then purples below that, but not below a certain level. If that makes sense. But the bot doesn't have that ultimate RSI part as part of it. G-Man, wasn't 87 an important area yesterday? I remember you saying 87 a couple of times. Cossack, I mean, I look back at my trades every day. I mean, I see my mistakes. It's just, eh. There's 215. It got close there, Cossack. 213. Then a bounce. About 15 minutes left to go in the stream. How's everybody doing that at this point? Any data is green isn't terrible. Whip it right back down, big old purple candle. 214 seems to be a bounce point. Let's see. Popping back up. Still can't get through 215, 214. Just going to try again. It keeps going down by another point. 2 down to 212. Wants to give Cossack it's his 210. There it is. There you go, Cossack. Yes, it is. New all-time high, 24.38 on gold. And Q down to 203. And Q down to 200. And breaks 200. Trying to bounce. Ooh, right back down. Nice move back up. Y'all see how easy I just entered that reversal play and got to 10 points. If I could just, that's easy for me now. But the problem is the reversals aren't nearly as they don't as work as well or as often, I guess I should say, as the regular following the move that's currently going whatever direction. But it's so easy for me to hit the button on a blue candle, pop it up from the bottom, than it is for me to hit a purple candle as it's continuing down, and I don't know why. But I have now won 3 straight 10-point trades to kind of recover today. Not totally recovered. And I don't know why though, because like I said, the trend trade is or whatever is probably. I mean, I'm gonna go back and figure out exact numbers over the weekend. Probably for the last. I think I only get 4 days worth of charts on the 15-second chart because that's the limitation for TradingView. But I'm betting that the with trend is probably an 80% play. Yeah, honestly, that's probably only about a week's worth of trades on a 15-second chart. Hmm. Well, someone by the name of Kids Video subscribed 17 minutes ago. If you're here in the stream, welcome. Feel free to say hello. We all should have been long gold all morning. A little quick pullback there on NQ. 22 back down to 205. Might hit Sid Chase's 3,000 before the end of the day. That's just crazy. Look at that. Daily chart on gold. It's ugly because of all those purple lines. But look at this daily chart. Just since the beginning of March, it's gone from 2065 up to 2446. Wow, today it's up 71 points today? Holy hell. So we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me this week. We'll be back here on Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time for what should be another fun and exciting week. Hopefully there's no war. If there's war, then I don't even want to know what the market's going to be like. So, well, more, I guess I should say more war, extension of the war, whatever you want to say. Anywho, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Talk to you next week. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.